Hey guys, got a 2025 plate Volkswagen T-Roc here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning lights on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. Now first make sure your ignition is turned on or your engine is on. Then from here go to car on the right hand side. Then scroll across until you get to Tyre Pressure Monitoring System. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Then once you've done that, press set. Do all 4 tyre pressures match your ride values? Yep, confirm. And then in front of you it will say tyre pressure saved.